So in today's video, I just want to go over a few tips, actually a few facts that some people might think in the negatives, but are actually positive. What I mean by that is some people might think, oh, it says this or that, so it's now bad, so they steer away from it in the long run, which you shouldn't, because a lot of this stuff is actually positive. It actually has benefits and actually helps you. So there's a few things. First off, I want to say that fats do not make you fat. Do not steer away from fats just because of the word fat. Fats are actually healthy when it comes to hormone production, when it comes to production of cells and overall health. Just like protein, carbohydrates, fiber, you need fats in your diet. Healthy fats though, remember, avocados, nuts, olive oil, things like that. You know, put it into your daily routine of food, into your daily food regimen, and whatever that is, just remember that just because something has fats in it, just like carbs, a lot of people stay away from carbs because they think it's going to turn into fat. What it is actually fuel. You burn this off at the gym and you can create muscle growth. You can create healthier joints and ligaments in your body because of the fact that you're actually moving and it's actually making you want to get up and move. So don't stir away from anything like that, okay? Second thing is food dyes. Food dyes are really, really bad for your health. So all food dyes, if something has food dye in it, it's toxic, it's bad, toss it. And in the long run, I'm telling you that there's going to be more food dyes that they're actually going to ban. I know they only banned one right now, but they're going to ban more because it's just really, really bad for your overall health. So that's another one. And we are what we eat, and that's just a fact. Our skin replaces itself every 35 days, every 28 to 35 days. And because of the fact that the cells keep on making new cells in our skin is what is on our bodies, we literally become what food we eat. So I just want to say that if you're going to be eating ultra processed foods, you are going to be ill, sick, not feel well, and you are going to become lethargic, not wanting to do anything. It creates mood swings, and it will actually affect your mood in the negative way. So those are all things that we think, don't stir away from certain things, because certain things actually are good in the long run. Like fats are good, but food dyes are really, really bad. And it's the opposite there. See what I mean? Like some people might see fats and say, oh, I don't want this, but I'll actually have this product because of the food dyes and it tastes good. No, one's toxic and one actually isn't toxic for your body. So what I gotta say is just be smart about your food choices. Vegetable oils, hydrogenated vegetable oils, a lot of seed oils are actually very unhealthy for our bodies as well. Don't believe everything that you read online, because a lot of the stuff that you read online, they might say that it's a good thing or it's okay and it's all right for your body. No. The less ingredients you see on something, the better it is for you. So if you see 2 to 3 ingredients, that's good. But if it depends on what those are. But the chances of it being healthier and better for you is higher, that it's good for you. And most of the stuff that we want to eat is just earth-made food, so it's just that one ingredient. That's the healthiest you can go. So I know it's all plain and stuff, but trust me, you'll thank yourself in the long run. And that's it. That's it for today. I want to dig deeper into other things, like honey being medicine. I want to talk about how honey is actually a medicine for us. And I'm not even joking when I say that. It actually is. It actually helps us. Just like sleep is a medicine that no one realizes how important and beneficial sleep is. Honey is actually one too. But I'll dig deeper into the next video with that one. This is just some tips, that fats don't actually make you fat. Hydrogenated vegetable oils and seed oils are bad for you. Almost all of them. And food dyes are very harmful, and we are what we eat. There's some tips for you for today, Also, salt over sugar any day. I just want to dig into that real quick. A lot of people will be like, oh, I want to stay away from salt. Well, if you're going to pick the difference between salt versus processed sugar, okay? Processed. If you want to have unnatural sugars, I'm saying, Natural sugars are okay from fruits. Of course, that's fine. But I'm saying unnatural, processed, man-made, in the factory sugars. If you pick regular sea salt, healthy, regular salt, and you put a little, sprinkle it on some food, what's the issue? You're picking that over candy? You pick that over candy any day. Thumbs up to you. So yes, sea salt versus processed, unnatural sugars. There's one big winner in that one. So that's what I gotta say in today's video. Let's stay active and get kinetic.